Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the November Bellabox, so let's get into it. I think it's their birthday month for the box, because they've gone back to the OG polka dot box, which I think is really cute. Let's see what's inside. The first thing we have here is a makeup product. This is the W7 Cosmetics Glowcomotion Compact. So we had a choice of either this or a mascara as kind of like the hero product for the month. I think this is only $4.99 at Chemist Warehouse, so that's pretty cheap, to be honest. The Glowcomotion Compact can be used as a highlighter, shimmer, or an eyeshadow. This handy pigmented compact comes with an internal mirror containing a super shimmering highlighting powder with subtle golden glow. Alright, let's see what it looks like on the inside. So that's just what it looks like. I mean, it's not that pigmented, to be honest. Like, it went on my finger really pigmented, but then on my hand there, it's just pretty, like, non-existent, to be honest. Yeah, but then again, for $5, what can you really expect? I think it's more of a subtle one, to be honest. Next, we have another Dermal product. I think we just got a lip balm from them in a previous box, but this is the Dermal Therapy Heal Balm Platinum. This one I think is actually full size, and it retails for $6.95 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, Terry White, and other leading national pharmacies. Dermal Therapy Heal Balm Platinum is the next generation Heal Balm formula offering the highest urea content available at 30%. Its highly concentrated formula is clinically proven to hydrate dry, cracked heels and feet with visible results in just one day. Since I do work in pharmacy, I do have this product in my store. I don't think we have this size, but we do have bigger tubes. And yeah, it's a pretty okay Heal Balm, but you know, personally not something that I suffer from, but I'll definitely use it should I ever need to. We have a Vush product. This is the Vush Do You Intimate Wipes. This is just a sample 10 pack, but the full size 30 pack is $10 at vushstimulation.com. You can also use the code Bellabox NOV to receive 15% off site wide, excluding the Abbey collab. Whether you're finishing up at the gym, in bed, or at work, these wipes are designed to support all the good stuff in your body does on its own, so you can keep doing what you're doing. Perfect for post-loving, toy cleaning, period refreshing, and pretty much whatever else you can think of. You will never want to leave the house without them. These 100% cotton wipes are fragrance-free, sensitive skin-friendly, cruelty-free, and totally vegan. Interesting product to put in the box. Definitely be handy to have on hand should I ever need to use it. This is a little bit of a different looking product. This is the Arum Ginseng Cool Scalp Cleanse. This is just a sample of 20 mils, but the full size 500 mils is $55 at kloft.com.au. Formulated with patented oriental herbal extract, ginseng, and mentha pipirita, which is peppermint oil. Arum Ginseng Cool Scalp Cleanser cleans your scalp thoroughly and restores it to naturally healthy state. The scalp cleanser also delays scalp aging, prevents dandruff, relieves itchiness, and stimulates hair growth. Your scalp will be feeling clean, fresh, and cool post-wash. Recommended for people with sensitive, oily scalp and or damaged hair. Suitable for daily use. So that's an interesting little product. I mean, I might use it at some point, but yeah, it's not like it's, you know, extremely exciting or anything. We have a Cancer Council product. This is the Face Day Wear BB Cream in Light. I also sell this in my pharmacy that I work at. This is just the sample size of 15 mils, but the full size is $16. At Coles, Woolies, Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, Cancer Council shop.org.au. Cancer Council's Face Day Wear BB Cream is an SPF 50 plus 3-in-1 cream providing natural coverage, hydration, and very high UVA and UVB broad spectrum protection, enhanced with natural oils and extracts including argan, jojoba, acai, chamomile, kakadu plum, and green tea to help calm, condition, and moisturize the skin. Paraben free and suitable for sensitive skin. Available in light tint and medium tint. Every purchase goes towards cancer research and services. So yeah, that'll be a great one to use this summer. I mean, I know that you'd love to give us a sunscreen every time, but at least this one's kind of like a tinted one, so it's not just another sunscreen. We also have a bonus. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. So that should be an interesting one to give a go. There's also a voucher for Pet Circle and for DoorDash. All right, looking at the box this month, for their birthday box, I guess I was expecting a bit more than this. Like, it's not, it's an okay box, but it's not super exciting. I mean, that highlighter, based on the swatch, it was a little disappointing. I'll have to give it a go on the face and on the eyes and all of that, but it did not exactly, like right there, it did not give much at all. So if that's what you're going for, that's great, but I can understand why it's only $5. This Scalp Cleanser is an interesting product, but I don't know, is it like a shampoo? Do you use it after shampoo or is it like instead of shampoo? I'm not quite sure. The Heal Balm is a good product, but it's not like it's super exciting or anything. The Sunscreen BB Cream, it is definitely better than just a sunscreen because it gives you kind of like a bit of variety, but it's, you know, in no way surprising because it is coming up to summer and it's Bellabox and they always give a sunscreen. The intimate wipes, definitely something that they don't usually include. Like, I haven't really received anything like this in the box before, which is great. But yeah, that's probably like, because they are an intimate product, it is more of a personal decision. So I think that it is definitely a good product to receive in the box. But yeah. The sachet sample is also really great. Innisfree is a great brand, so it's great to have something to try from them. Overall, it's not a bad box, but it's like not super exciting by any means. I guess for their birthday box, I was expecting something a little bit more, but it is what it is. I would just say this is kind of an average one, not an exciting one, not a bad one by any means, but kind of average. So yeah. Let me know in the comments what you guys got in your box. Did you get what I got? Did you get something else? Let me know what you thought about your box and what you think about what I got. And yeah, let's have a conversation in the comments. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.